Imagine having one AI tool that can create videos, websites, apps, books, and even make you money online, all in just a few clicks. Sounds crazy, right? Well, today I'm testing a brand new tool called GeminAI 3.1 Max. And honestly, this might be one of the most powerful AI platforms I've ever seen. Hey guys, what's going on? Tahir here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a full GeminAI 3.2 Max review. I'll walk you through all the features, show you exactly how it works, and also reveal some exclusive bonuses that I've put together to help you get the most out of this tool. What is GeminAI 3.1 Max? GeminAI 3.1 Max is an all-in-one AI platform powered by Google's latest GeminAI 3.1 Ultra technology. It's designed to help you create content, videos, websites, apps, and even automate your entire online business, all from a single dashboard. In simple terms, it replaces multiple expensive tools and brings everything into one place. Howard WRKA Susie. GeminAI 3.1 Max is actually very simple. Step 1. Log into the dashboard. Step 2. Choose what you want to create content, video, website, or anything else. Step 3. Enter your prompt or idea. Step 4. Let the AI do the work within seconds. It generates high-quality results for you, whether it's a script, design, or even a full project. Basically, in this video, we're going to go through a full demo together in just a few minutes. But before we do that, I want to quickly let you know that you'll find the link to GeminAI 3.1 Max down in the description below, along with my exclusive bonus page. Now, these bonuses are not something you'll find anywhere else. I've personally created them to help you get the absolute best results with GeminAI 3.1 Max. So let me show you what you're getting. The first bonus is a complete digital marketing mastery. eBook. This powerful guide will help you understand how digital marketing really works, from SEO and social media to email marketing and content creation. If you're a beginner, this will give you a clear roadmap. And if you're already working online, it will help you improve your results and generate more traffic and sales. And the best part, if you purchase through my link, you'll get this bonus absolutely free. Bonus number 2 is an AI-powered marketing guide. This guide will show you how to use AI tools to create content, automate your work, and improve your marketing results. It's perfect for anyone who wants to save time and get better results using AI. And remember, if you get this product through my link, you'll receive this bonus completely free. Bonus number 3 is AI marketing course in video format. In this training, you'll learn how to use AI tools for content creation, automation, and online marketing step by step. This course will help you understand how to turn AI into a real income stream, even if you're a complete beginner. And the best part, if you purchase through my link, you'll get this bonus absolutely free. Bonus number 4 is a full digital marketing course in video format. This step-by-step training will help you understand how to run ads, build your online presence, and start making money online. It's like getting a complete training program without paying anything extra. And again, this bonus is included for free when you use my link. Bonus number 5 is AI Plus Marketing Beginner Notes. This is a simple and easy to understand guide that will help you combine AI with marketing strategies to get faster results. Perfect for beginners who want a quick and practical understanding without confusion. And just like the others, you'll get this bonus absolutely free when you purchase through my link. Now let's return to member area. How is work.
Google has launched its most intelligent AI model yet. It is the best AI model out there at the moment, but they've blocked it behind a huge paywall, which makes it really difficult to get access to it. But GeminAI is so cool, we wanted to make sure you have access to it. As you've seen, our sales page is done entirely in GeminAI 3 with GeminAI. Using the GeminAI Writer, the GeminAI Video, the GeminAI Image, Article Wizard, and Chat, we were able to generate the sales page with them. Let me take you through some of them and show you what GeminAI is capable of. There are a lot of different chatbots that have been personalized, so you're able to look and chat with any expert. And we'll just go into a normal conversation right now. So you're able to chat with it and it's able to get real-time data, and you're able to make it help you with everything that you need, including conversations, including any sort of advice directly from Google's huge database. And it doesn't stop there. You can generate images with it. You can generate articles. Let's, for example, go ahead and generate an image with it. And then we're able to make changes based off of our images. So if, for example, we want some modifications, we're able to do that within Gemini. You can generate code with Gemini and you can tell it what to create, how to create it. You can import code into it and let it help you and create your apps for you. And the main tool that we used for the sales page is the Gemini article wizard, and we went through all of these steps here. And we went through all of them. We added our titles, we added our content, we added the angle we wanted to do, and that is what it created. So you are able to replicate that right now if you just check out GeminAI, and with a 30-day money-back guarantee, with 24/7 support available to you, and with training inside to replicate what we did, GeminAI is a no-brainer. So check it out right now, and I can't wait to see you inside.
Check the link in the description below to get GeminAI 3.1 Max. Remember, these bonuses are only available through my link and for a limited time, so take action now. Just click the link, complete your purchase, and you'll get instant access to all my exclusive bonuses. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.